nervous and I'm excited, but I feel like this is going to be a great adventure. Yo, am I really doing this? I'm really doing this? Okay. Alright, so let's do it. No hold back. I can't find the source for these ones because I like a big girl. We're gonna do an unboxing of mugs. I ordered some extra mugs for the shop because I want to make these. This is my little sample one that I made for myself to see if I would even like it. And I got this mug from an old cup that I was using because the lettering came off of it, so I was like, let me try that again. So I made my own with my little cricket thing, you know, like I think I do. But I ordered some mugs, so I hope they're the right size. So let's go get that and do some unboxings. And then we can start making some products. I'm nervous and I'm excited, but I feel like this is going to be a great adventure. I got my box of mugs. So here are my goodies. And I'm gonna do this unboxing on my desk. I'm a little nervous. Please be great. Please be great. They're a little bit smaller than I would like it to be. Just a smidge smaller. But we're gonna do a comparison. Alright, so these things is a lot smaller. Not a smidge smaller. This is my one, right? I just like a big girl. You know what I mean? Okay. I just like a big girl. And this is a big girl. Okay. That comparison. Not as big, but it's so cute. So let me know down below which one you like better. Do you like the big girl, which is this one, or you like the little mini? I find the source for these ones because I like a big girl. It just looks so much better to me. Okay, but first round, first time, first trial. See if anybody actually even likes these. They're gonna be the minis, and then maybe we'll upgrade you. There's that first round of things. So okay, so today on my list, I'm gonna drink my water. Number 1 is my checklist. Number 2 is I'm going to do these mugs. Then let's see, I'm also gonna do my tote bags, and then I'm gonna look at getting some additional shirts to make some of these, some extra bad boys, and really work on what the product launch items are going to be.
Virtu.
Okay, so I've drank about half of this. I haven't drank it all, but so my plan for today was to get some stuff for the launch, get ready, but my good old computer is on its last leg. I've had this computer since I was in college, which, lo and behold, has been about like 6 years or so. If not longer than that. But it just ain't thangin'. So my other stuff is not working. So instead of getting frustrated, I'm gonna pause and pivot